Okay, this is the new Velcro batten closure, and I'm going to show you how to install the batten using this method. So what we have included is a installing tool, which is a small piece of batten with a string on it. And this is the actual batten pocket. This is a leech batten on a spindrift sail, and the closure is a piece of webbing with Velcro on one side, and inside the batten pocket there's the opposite Velcro. So we're locking the batten in with this Velcro strap, and this is a nice method because it produces a totally clean trailing edge with no grommets or anything hanging out other than the removal string. And on the other end of the pocket is just a reinforced end stop. So I have the batten here. It's already cut to length, and so the first step is to just install the batten. So we push it all the way in, and it should go pretty much all the way into the pocket. Okay, and then to lock it in there, we're going to use the installing tool, and you can see here the Velcro, and at the end here is a little bit of webbing, and it's actually a little pocket. So you're going to slip the installing tool into that pocket like that, and this covers the Velcro partially and gives you something to push against. And you're going to basically get this started right above the batten like that. So I've got the batten underneath, and it's about to be captured by this webbing, and then you're just going to push it straight in like that. And then when you remove the tool, the Velcro is now touching and it's locked in, and you can see all that's remaining is the removal string, which you could tuck inside if you wanted to. Now, to remove the batten, which you don't normally need to remove battens if you're rolling your sail, you can just leave them in all the time, but to remove it, you're going to use the tool to push between the Velcro, and this just breaks the seal on the Velcro. And then you're going to grab the string and pull the string, and that pulls the webbing out, and now the batten can come out. And when you pull the batten out, try to make sure it doesn't get hung up, because if you lose the rubber tip, then it's a big hassle to get the rubber tip out. But we try to make the rubber tips a good fit. So that's how you do it. So that's what this is all about. And you need the installing tool, although you could make one of these out of a piece of wood if you had to, if you ever lost it. But that's the new Velcro batten closure. So thanks for watching.